Hey friends, this is Atif here, and welcome to the new update on YFI token. In today's video, we will take a look at this breakdown from this rising wedge pattern. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my recent trade signal of YFI token that I shared with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal bat move, an expected harmonic bullish reversal bat move, because it was completing the final leg of this harmonic bullish reversal bat. And this pattern was, by the way, formed with Bitcoin pair. And you can see our buying zone was from 0.3425 Bitcoins and goes to 0.3367 Bitcoins. And our sell target zone that I've defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this bad move for my members was from 0.3599 and goes to 0.3783 Bitcoins. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line dropped more down and completed this final leg. And then we had a very nice pump. That was, by the way, more than 20% pump against Bitcoin, and this pattern was formed on the 4-hour time frame chart. And by the way, if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can join me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. I have shared the links to join me there in the video's description. Now let's move to this live weekly time frame chart first, and then I'll also show you this breakdown from this rising wedge pattern as well. And on this weekly time frame chart, you can see that YFI token is stuck in a very long-term down channel. We got rejected here by this resistance first time in the month of May 2021. Then we got few more rejections here. And for the past several weeks or months, you can see we are again getting rejected again and again by this resistance of the down channel. And here we also have the support. Here we have fake out to the downside, but the price line tested this support that we have here at $5,250. That is our key support, by the way. And after testing this support, the price line re-entered the same channel. Now here, after this drop of November 2022, the price line also tested this support once again, and now the price line is about to test its support of $5,250 once again. And here we also have our key resistance just slightly above than this resistance of the channel, that is at $7,450. And if the price line breaks out the resistance of the channel, even then we will need to break out this resistance, this key resistance of $7,450. You can see previously this level has been working as a very strong support here, as a resistance here, and as a support here back in November 2020 as well. And recently, when we got bounced from this support, then we again got rejected by this resistance of $7,450, and now we are again very close to test this support of $5,250. Now, if we take a look at this daily time frame chart, then this was the rising wedge pattern that I was showing you in my previous video, and finally we have broken it down. After the breakdown, our target to the downside was here at the bottom of the wedge, and exactly you can see that the price line has started this accumulation, this price accumulation here. And at the same time, if we move back to the weekly time frame chart, then price line is also having a very strong support of $5,250 as well. Therefore, it will be very difficult for the price line to move more down from here, because you can see we are dropped at this support. At the same time, on the weekly time frame chart, if we take a look at the stochastic and RSI, let me show you these oscillators on the weekly time frame. And you can see that on the weekly time frame chart, stochastic has again entered the oversold zone, and if we switch to the daily time frame chart, then recently RSI is coming out from the oversold zone and stochastic is still oversold. And in the most recent times, it is showing very nice gestures whenever the price line is visiting the oversold zone. The RSI is visiting the oversold zone, then price line is starting in nice relief rallies like here it happened. And if we move back in the most recent history, when we had this a big drop, then the RSI entered the oversold zone, then we had a very big relief rally. That was in fact a very big rally. And after that we had here, and again it has entered the oversold zone and just coming out. You can see the value was here at 29.84, so it was completely oversold. And it is possible that using this very major support that we have here, the price line will start another relief rally. And once YFI token will be able to break out this bigger resistance of the down channel, that will be a beginning of a big rally to the upside, a long-term move to the upside. And our final target, by the way, will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $95,000 to $100,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.